Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's class we are going to start from question number 4 of exercise 11.3. Okay, so the question states that a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence, like 1 round and in 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Okay, so gardener wants to fence, that is make a boundary with a circular garden. Okay, he wants to make a circular garden of diameter which is of 21 meter. You have to find the length of the rope which is required to fence, which is required to make a boundary. Okay, so the things given, first of all list it out. Diameter of a circular garden is equal to 21 meter. So if the diameter is given, you can easily find radius. What is the radius formula? Radius is equal to d by 2, that is diameter by 2. Half of the diameter is radius, and what is the diameter given? 21 by 2, which is which when you divide you'll get 10.5 meter. So you got the radius. Now you have to find the length of the rope, that is you have to take a complete distance. So if you have to find the length, then what formula you are going to use? Of course, circumference, total revolution. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So this is what you have to find, 2 pi r. Circumference you have to find. Okay, circumference is 2 into, what is the pi value? 22 by 7 given in the question. What is the r you got? 10.5. Okay, so pi is written like this. Pi, this is called pi, pi. Most of you are writing r, not r. Okay, it is, make a straight horizontal line, then make 2 legs. Okay, so that is your circumference, that is your pi. So here the question is to find the length of the rope he needs to purchase, that is to make a boundary. For making a boundary, then that means you have to find the circumference. Okay, so calculate. Okay, let us make this 10. So when you multiply 2 into 22 into 105, you will get 462 divided by so it is 2 into 22 into 105 by 10. Okay, it is, sorry, one more zero will be here. So when you deduct this 0, you'll get 66 meter. So the circumference, that is the length he required, is of 66 meter. So how many rope is required? How many fence he wants to make? If he makes 2 rounds of fence, so for 1 round it is 66 meter. So length of the rope required will be 2 into 66. So length of the rope required is equal to 2 into 66, because he wants to make double circle, right? So 2 into 66 is equal to 132 meter. Why 2? Because it is in the question that 2 rounds of fence he wants to make. So the length of the rope required is 132 meter. So now what you have to find? Find the cost of the rope if it cost 4 per meter. So now you have to find the cost of this length. So if the cost of 1 meter is 4 rupees, so cost of 1 meter rope is equal to rupees 4, then what will be the cost of 132 meter rope? Of course, rupees 4 into 132. Now multiply this, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 5. So rupees 528 is what he has to pay, okay, to get this length of rope. Okay, so let us proceed now to question number 5. Proceeding to question number 5, we have from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter is given. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Okay, find the area of the remaining sheet. Okay, so from a circular sheet of the radius 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter is removed. So from here 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Okay, so what you have to do here is, first of all we will list out. So a radius of circular sheet, let us write this as r, is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so a circle of radius to be removed. What radius is removing? R is equal to 3 centimeter. Circle of radius has been removed. Then what is the, find the area of the remaining sheet, right? So the formula for this will be area of the remaining sheet is equal to pi r square minus pi r2 square. So for only one area, what was the formula of area? It is pi r square. It is pi r square. But when one circle is enclosed by another circle, then if you have to suppose find this area for both the circle, then the formula will be pi r square for one circle and pi r square for another circle. So we have to, here the area, in case of this question we are doing subtraction. Here we are putting the minus sign because the part of the circle is getting removed, right? So pi r for one radius, that is for 4 centimeter, and small r, capital R for 4 centimeter and small r for 3 centimeter. There are two radius, right, of a circle. So pi value here we have to put is 3.14. It is given in the question. So whatever the question has been given, that you have to write. So let us take out the common first. Pi r square minus r square. So pi value is 3.14. What is the value of r? It is 4 square minus 3 square, right? So when we calculate this, we will get 3.14 in, first of all let us keep this in bracket only. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9, which will be 3.14 into 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. So when you multiply this, you'll get 21.98 centimeter square. So this is the area of the remaining sheet. Okay, so first of all the area, big circle was there, which was a 4 centimeter. Now from here the 3 centimeter radius has been removed. That is, to find the area, this will be the formula. Understood? So let us now proceed to question number 6 also. Here we have the question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table, cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15. Okay, the question is very similar to the question number 4. So I want you all to try this one, because here the question says that Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of the circular table. So there is one table which is of circular shape, and the edge means the outside boundary, right? So she wants to put lace on the circular table, that is on the edge part. So diameter is given 1.5, that is you have to find the length. Length means you have to find the circumference, right? So you know the formula of circumference. After finding the circumference, that means you will get the length. Now you will find the cost of that length. Whatever you will get, you will find the cost of that length of a lace. Okay, so you will try it yourself. Now let us now proceed to question number 7. Here we have the question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle, including its diameter. Now, till now we did for the circle, right? Perimeter means circumference we have to find. Okay, so list out whatever is given. Diameter is given according to the figure. So if you cut this circle, you will get, the circle will be divided into two parts, which we will consider as a semicircle. Semi means half, isn't it? So diameter is 10 centimeter. So this all part is the diameter, this part. So diameter here is 10 centimeter. And what will be the radius if diameter is given? D by 2 formula is, so 10 by 2 means it is 5 centimeter. Okay, so we got the radius. Now we have to find the perimeter of the semicircle. So first of all, we will write the circumference of a circle formula. We know that, let us write, we know circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Yes, so circumference of semicircle, semi means I have already told you it is half, so multiply with 1 by 2 into 2 pi r. So this 2 and 2 will be deducted. What will be the remaining? Remaining will be pi r. So if the circumference is pi r, right, then what they have asked, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is semicircle including. Okay, so here pi value we are going to put 22 by 7. What is the r? It is 5. Now 22 into 5 is 110 divided by 7 centimeter. Okay, you can write this in a fraction also, that is 7 1 is 7, 4, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. You may write it the answer as a 15.6 centimeter. Okay, so with this, question number 7 is also over, and this much for today. In our next class we will be proceeding with question number 8. Okay, so till then, practice a lot for your upcoming examination. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.